Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I'm out here on my next adventure. As you can see, I'm on the ferry right now, heading to Bowen Island. Objective is to do Mount Gardner, and let's see, once I get there, I will check in with you guys later. Alright? Bye now!
Yeah, they're expecting it to be on time, 8:05.
So, what happens if you miss the last ferry?
Yeah, when it's...
This is B&B you can stay at.
I miss the last ferry.
We don't want to miss it. We should find out before.
Not that we're gonna be anywhere near the last ferry, but actually.
Hi everyone, this is Amy here checking in. How's it going? I have finally arrived to the Mount Gardner lookout point. We had parked our car at the Horseshoe Bay area, and then we bought our foot passenger ticket, $10.50 per person to ride the ferry over here to do this hike. Let's talk about the trail stats on this trail. It's about 17 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 720 meters, okay? And it's classified as intermediate / moderate hike, and average time will take you about 7 hours to complete. It's a very nice day out here, as you can see the views, and yeah, great to be here. And then there's the radio towers, and then my hiking crew is somewhere in the background. I don't know what they're doing, but anyways, if you guys like my adventure, please stay tuned. And then as well, if you guys like my YouTube video, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and I'll check in with you guys later on my next adventure. Actually, we're gonna right now head to the South Summit, and then hope you guys are having an amazing day. All right, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye now.
Thanks, Tony.